Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. When I do what, when I tell they help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate you now well. My people, this video where I break also, I'll put am for the end. More than watch am. Maybe some of you now don't still see am about this pastor, popular pastor, where they know well. This pastor what he do for a church, my people, I just dey watch am, the thing dey make me dey laugh. Now I say no, me I bring am come on and still watch am, more na see wetin pastor dey tell im members. The pastor don e dey as e dey for im altar for them. He say he need two that is he wan talk about to sow, how to sow seed. He say na two that is two group na he wan do am to. He says one group go be 5,000, the other group go be 7,000. He say oh my people, more than no vex say I dey laugh. The thing dey make me dey laugh. He say okay, he wan call first group, make dem come out, make dem step outside, make dem come the altar for them. As pastor dey call now, say the first people make dem come out, nobody gree come out. It's okay. Now he come still call second group, say make dem step out. So make dem wan sow seed. Oh na wow, my people, nobody gree come out. They refuse oh. Nobody even mind wetin the pastor dey talk about. E be like say our people don dey wise small. E be like say dem come dey wise small. Na task to sow seed, na wetin go come out for your mind, na wetin you like, no be task o, because dem come dey task dem. Because maybe all this member wey come dey tell dem say make dem come out, group of 5,000 go dey, group of 7,000 go dey. Maybe dem never even see food eat for house, so you come dey task dem for church. Church of 18 na your choice. I dey talk all the time say if you like, you go church. If you like, you sit down for house. Some people dey wey dey go church, dem put the church, dem put am for on top of their pillow. Na dem dey lie down put, na there good morning church, na so dem take dey do am. But their heart, e dey very very bad. Their heart oh God, their heart you no believe say na people wey dey go church. Why some dey dem no dey go, but dem no dey do bad. Dem no dey see say their people, the person dey progress, make dem draw am down. The thing make me laugh. I still dey laugh for inside my mind. Say, pastor, you just come out. Say make group of 7,000 go dey, group of 5,000 go dey. They no mind now. They no mind the pastor, because all this church wey dem dey do na business. Na business. Na they take and take they do. They take and take they feed their family. You go carry money. You go carry, go give them. They will say they want pray for you. You will not get your mouth to take pray. Not the mouth where they you say they pray for you. You not get your own. Ask God, may God give you. He will give you. Call God with your clean mind. Not do bad. Not plan evil to others. God must answer you. Now if you get bad mind, now God not the answer. If you get bad mind, God not go answer you. You just go church. Come they tell people say, may they call sow seed. Now by force. African people, they don't turn church to another thing. Thank God say the member, they don't understand. Say all this money one they carry. Now they use until they reach on self. Now take until they build something for self. If you go watch now, many pastors, all the thing where they get, not be their name. The money one they give them, then they write and say, from today, this church, na me with my members, then I get them. The answer is no. Which name they? Na their name na they. When they go they buy plane, everything, which name they? Na their member name they. The answer is no. Na their name they. So if you like, you go church. If you not like, you not go. If you like, go sow seed. If you like, go give people where they outside where not see food eat. If you like, go give them. Now your choice. If you want to wear your money now you know. Because like me, I don't fit tell you say not go sow seed. But this one make me laugh. Say, hey God, people don't they wise. Say all this money we not go they give una like that. People they suffer to get their money. May I put the video more na watch, more na laugh, I bet more na help me share am. May others see una. Bye.
I want everyone on the altar, go back to your seat. I want you to come. Those of you that you are going to come with a seed for the new document that will be operating in your life. And this is the seed I want you to bring. I want you to bring two kinds of seed. Category 1, 7,000. Category 2, 5,000. If you are here tonight, I just want you to stand here quickly. Come to the altar immediately, and I'm going to pray. I'm not going to beg you for this. I just want you to step out. Step out wherever you are, very quickly. You will bring a seed, either 7,000 or 5,000. Wherever you are, just get up, because this thing you are writing, Joshua knew the power of the altar, and he used the altar and spoke in a day, and it came to pass. I want you to come. I'm giving you counting 1 to 7, and you are here. 1, 2, 3. If I finish counting 7, you didn't come, just remain on your seat. 4. 5. 'It's a prophetic instruction that I'm giving to you. Go look for 5,000. Go look for 7,000. 6. If you are running, run quickly. Let's do exercise tonight. 6. 7. Now the rest people sitting down, I want you to rise. I need you to put 3,000 in your envelope tomorrow when you are coming. Stand at the count of 5, wherever you are. 1, 2, 3. If you are standing, run to the altar. If you are standing, run out of that thing. Run out of it. Run out. It's just a seed. I'm provoking your faith. I want you to exercise your faith. Just get 3,000 naira and put it inside the envelope and run down here tomorrow. 4. Stretch your hand towards me. I speak on behalf of my father and my mother. I speak. Because you have already stepped out.
Wow, that's why I get into my cool. Can see a conference? Making a cool number two. So now I'm not and the land go what up.